Most of weight loss friendly foods to get sexier. Are you gaining weight every day and looking for a diet plan or exercises or to join a gym program to lose weight? Weight loss is the biggest problem each one of us is facing around the globe. We gain weight easily, but when we look for losing weight and think it is an easy task, then you are wrong, my friend. Weight loss program is not an easy task. So today I am going to share with you 5 most effective weight loss friendly foods to get sexier. Here are 6 most effective weight loss friendly foods on the planet. Number 1. Eggs. Egg is the best food that you can eat if you want to lose your weight. Eggs are also helpful to fight major issues like heart attack and blood cholesterol. Eggs are unbelievably nutrient dense, and it may help you to get all the nutrients that are required by our body that are found within the yolk. They are highly rich in protein and may cause you to feel full with a really low quantity of calories. One study was done on 30 overweight girls to start eating eggs in breakfast instead of donuts, and they have noticed drop in weight due to this. So it is declared that it is one of the best weight loss friendly foods to lose weight as compared to donuts and corn flakes. Number 2. Green leafy vegetables. When we talking about green leafy vegetables, green Swiss chard, collards, kale, and spinach or some other to include are in the list. In leafy greens has almost all proteins that make perfect food for anyone to lose weight. They are loaded with fiber with less calories and carbohydrates. Leafy greens are a good way to increase your diet plan, without the calories. Number 3. Salmon. Oily fish like salmon is with unbelievable health benefits. Salmon is also loaded with high protein, fats that contains nutrients, whereas generally seafood or fish supplies iodine. One study shows that most of the people are not getting proper portion of iodine that an individual need at daily routine. Salmon also helps to provide that iodine, because salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. This is also one of the most effective weight loss friendly foods to get sexier every day. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. When we talk about cruciferous vegetables, then this list contains cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels or some other to include. Cruciferous vegetables are also good for health because of high protein and fiber, but it has less proteins as compared to non-vegetables like animal foods, but has high quantity as compared to all other vegetables. They also have substances for fighting with cancer as it acts as a diagnosis to it. They are also high nutritious for losing weight. Number 5. Soups. As mentioned earlier also that meals with minimum energy density tend to form people eat fewer calories. Most foods with minimum energy density are people who contain maximum water, like vegetables and fruits. But you will be able to also simply add water to your food, by making a vegetable soup. One study has shown that eating the same food again and again doesn't make any sense, except having soup rather than a solid food that makes people feel more satisfied and eat considerably fewer calories. Number 6. White potatoes. The potato has a very bad name and bad feeling among the people because 95% of people think that potatoes make you fat, but if you take potatoes in daily diet, definitely it will help you lose weight. Boiled and peeled potatoes are great source of energy and fiber. So when eaten raw, then it will help you lose weight. So these are some most effective weight loss friendly foods that will make you lean and sexier. If you really think nice for your loved ones, then you should hit the share button below right now. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.